Hello, beautiful girls and beautiful ladies. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ruchika, and you are watching Ruchika's Life. So, in today's video, I am creating this beautiful Maharashtrian traditional makeup look. So, without wasting time, let's start it. So, very firstly, I'm using this Color Bar Perfect Match Primer. This is good for all skin types. It will give you matte finish and reduce your pores. So now I'm using this orange color corrector to reduce my dark spots and pimple spots too. So now I'm using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and I'm applying it on my dark circles, nose area, mouth area and forehead. I don't have so much dark circles, but still I'm applying it to give a bit of highlighting. And now I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me फाउंडेशन इन शेड 115 और मैं इसे अपने पूरे फेस पे, नेक पे और ईयर्स पे अच्छे तरीके से अप्लाई कर लूँगी ताकि कोई भी हार्श लाइन ना दिखाई दे या वो पैची ना लगे. सो आई एम ब्लेंडिंग इट प्रॉपरली एंड फॉर ब्लेंडिंग आई एम यूजिंग दिस वेट स्पंज. इसे मैंने थोड़ा गीला कर लिया, उसके बाद इसे स्क्वीज़ कर लिया है और उसके बाद मैं इसे अपने फेस पे अच्छे से ब्लेंड करूँ ताकि कोई भी एक्सेस फाउंडेशन हो वो एब्जॉर्व हो जाए. So now I'm giving a good cut to my face. For that I'm using Faces Canada bronzing powder and blending it properly by using brush. Blending is must, so do not skip it. Now I'm using this K Beauty HD setting loose powder in shade vanilla and I'm applying it wherever I have excess oil production. So now I'm giving a good cut and good shape to my nose, and for that I'm using the Faces Canada bronzing powder and I'm blending everything properly. So here I'm using this brown shade to give a good shape to my brows, and first I'm using this brush. So after giving a good shape, now I am giving a good cut to my brows, and for that I am using concealer and applying it all over my eyelid. Now I'm fixing it, and for that I have used loose powder, and now I'm using this dark pink shade and I am applying it all over my crease area from outer corner towards inner corner. So now I'm using this blue shade and applying it from outer corners towards inner corner and blending it properly on my crease line. Now I'm using this concealer and applying it from inner corner to middle. And now I'm using this beautiful golden shade, and this is a beautiful shade for any festive makeup look. So I am applying it from inner corner towards middle, covering all over my eyelid, and now I'm blending everything properly, mixing the three of shades properly so that you cannot see any harsh line. So now I'm applying that blue shade on my lower lash line for creating a good smoky look. And now I'm applying this kajal from Nykaa, and now I'm blending everything. And here I'm using this silver shade. It is a beautiful shade for highlight, and here I'm highlighting my inner corner and brow bone. Blending is must guys, so do not skip it. So now I'm using this Lakme Iconic eyeliner and I am creating a beautiful wing eyeliner here. So now I'm applying this concealer to give a good cut to my liner. So here I'm curling my lashes, and for that I'm using lash curler. So here I'm using mascara by Maybelline, and now I'm using this master blush palette, and I have used pink shade for blush, and now I'm applying highlighter on my nose, cheekbones and forehead too. So now I'm using this Faces Canada makeup fixer, and I'm fixing my makeup properly, blending everything. So guys, now I'm using this pink lip liner to give a good shape to my lips, and now I'm using this Faces Canada lip gloss. This is a proper glossy lip gloss and I wanted a matte finish, so I have used tissue to absorb excess gloss. Now I am ready here, and as you can see I have wear this beautiful pink silk sari with beautiful golden jewelries and traditional Maharashtrian nath. So guys, you can create this look wherever in any function you want. So if you like my video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Ruchika's Life. I will meet you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you so much guys.